Hello guys, and welcome to another video showing you the awesome features of SheetDB app. My name is Miko and this is the second part of our tutorial on connecting SheetDB with WordPress. If you haven't watched my last video, I strongly recommend doing that in the first place, as today we are going to use the same Google Spreadsheet as well as WordPress post prepared and explained in that last tutorial. And this one is going to show you some more possibilities. So let's get started. As you may remember, last time we managed to create a basic 4-item pizza menu in WordPress. Pretty awesome here. And this was connected to our simple spreadsheet, which looked like this. Although this time I've also added another category, type, which corresponds to whether a pizza is vegetarian or not. Pretty simple, but this will be helpful later on. At our WordPress plugins site at wordpress.org/plugins/sheetdb, you can find several attributes to be used in our shortcode, and they are limit, offset, search, sort by, and sort order. So to begin with, I will show you the use of the search attribute in particular, as it tends to be the most useful one. Okay, so let's go to our post and start editing it. And into our shortcode here, we need to introduce the search phrase in such a way that here, after equal sign, we may put any query we are interested with. So if I want to search for vegetarian items on my menu, for example, let's have a quick look at my spreadsheet. I will define my type as veg in this case. Okay, so I put type equals veg, and it should give me back only 3 items. Let me have a look if that's true. We'll see the post. And yes, there you have it. Only 3 items here. Capricciosa is missing because indeed it has ham as one of the ingredients. And accordingly, if we replace veg with meat type here, you'll see that only 1 item, meaty capricciosa, is left on our menu. Great. Okay, that was our search attribute. Now we can also check how to use one more from our list. Let's use limit. The limit attribute simply limits the quantity of our results to the number we provide. Okay, so once again we're gonna edit our post. I'm gonna go back to veg because there were 3 items on the menu which were vegetarian, and I'm gonna limit my search by number 2. Updating the post. Let's have a look, and 1 and 2 first items on the menu, so you can see that it actually works perfectly. If you wish to learn more on attributes, go to SheetDB plugins WordPress site and check all of the attributes described in detail. Another important feature which I want to show you in this video is called reuse. It is all about using your data several times on the page while requesting them only once at the beginning. In order to do this, we need to put save here after our URL, and after that we define our slot's name. And later on, by typing sheetdb-slot and again our slot's name, we may reuse the data in different areas of our website. Let's try to do this in practice. So I will leave only the search attribute and follow it by defining our slot's name. Let's call it veggie. Now, somewhere below, and I'm going to do this just below, however, you may use this feature wherever you want at your website. So, somewhere here, I want my data reused. So, we need to put in square brackets SheetDB dash slot space our slot's name, which was veggie, and straight away we're gonna close this block, not to forget it about it, SheetDB slot. Okay, and in between, let's say I want to have our items names again, so I put name in double curly brackets as we used to do it earlier, and that should make it work. So let's have a look. Alright, yeah, so it went just as planned. 3 here and 3 pizzas here. Only the names, obviously, because I've only put name of the pizzas, but as you can see, the whole mechanism works perfectly. And if you want to check if I was telling the truth, just go to Google DevTools, and under the network tab, while the XHR button will be highlighted, if you refresh the page, you can see that actually, indeed, only one request was made by Google to SheetDB, and in this case, you just used one of your requests, and also obviously your user got his content much faster. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you find it useful, please like this video and follow our YouTube channel for more great tips on our app. Thanks, see you soon.